In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a second Gmail account. This is a super handy skill to have, whether you're managing multiple personal accounts or balancing work and personal emails. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your Gmail inbox. You'll see your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that icon. This brings up a small menu, which lets you switch accounts if you've already added others or add a new one. Clicking your profile icon is a gateway to accessing all other Google accounts you're signed into, as well as adding new ones. Next, look for the option labeled Add Account and click on it to start the process of attaching another Gmail account. Google has streamlined this process so you don't have to log out of one account to use another. After clicking Add Account, you'll be redirected to a Google sign-in page. Here, type in the email address and password of the Gmail account you want to add. If you already have another Google account, it may appear in a list of accounts, allowing you to log in quickly by selecting it. Otherwise, enter the credentials manually. Follow any prompts that appear. Google may ask you to verify the login via text message or email as a security measure to ensure it's really you. Complete these steps to maintain the security and privacy of your emails. Once everything is set and you've successfully logged in, you can easily switch back and forth between accounts by clicking your profile icon again. This makes managing different email accounts efficient and hassle-free. And there you have it. You've successfully added a second Gmail account. You can now manage multiple Gmail accounts without constantly logging in and out. Keeping your email accounts organized can greatly improve productivity, especially when everything is accessible in one place. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, staying organized in your digital life makes a big difference. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time. Happy emailing.